The cylindrical mate constrains parts concentric while still allowing movement along the z-axis of the parts. This mate is especially useful when using the lead screw. In this example, the lead screw will have the same center point as the lead screw nut. To create a cylindrical mate, click on the icon in the toolbar. Now select the two mate connectors you would like to be concentric. Click on the Solve button to see a preview, and once you are happy with your selections, click on the check mark to apply. What you will see from here is that this will allow you to rotate, but also slide back and forth along the z-axis. Since we are using a lead screw, we now want to apply what is called a screw relation to make sure that the lead screw threads into the lead screw nut as it would in real life. To do that, click on the screw relation icon and then choose the cylindrical mate you would like to apply this to. After selecting the cylindrical mate, you will need to enter the distance per revolution that the lead screw will travel along the z-axis. Since our lead screw is 1 pitch long, 25 millimeters, and has 5 threads in that 25 millimeters, each revolution will be 5 millimeters distance traveled. You'll also notice that there is a reverse direction button that allows you to reverse the direction of rotation. So after applying that, when we rotate this, we can see that the lead screw is actually threading backwards. So double click on the screw relation and apply reverse direction. Now the lead screw will thread into the lead screw nut in the proper direction.